Hi everyone, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the power apps modern car control. So in this demo, we discuss about the all properties of the card, how it's responsive for all the screen sizes, how to insert the card control, which version is support to this card control. We discuss all this point in this session. So on the screen, you can see I have created one screen kind of similar screen we create in this demo. So here you can see I have insert a card control and just map my data with like image, a logo, name or subtitle. So let's jump into the demo. So here you can see I have created another screen which is the modern card control, and in this screen I just took the screen container. And inside the screen container, I took the header container and main container. So in the header container, this is the my title of the screen, which is the modern control preview. And the main container, I have took one gallery, which is the flexible head gallery basically. So I just give this or set these properties for the gallery, which is the align in container stretch, flexible height on. These are kind of all properties I have set. So if I go to the apps and go to the on start function, so here you can see I have create this clear collect call employees collection. In this collection, I have stored the some of the records, and in the JSON format I store the employee name, email, location, profile image, post image. Basically, this data we can use into the card control to display the data. Now, if I back to the my modern card control screen, if I go to the gallery, here you can see it is a pencil icon. To edit the gallery, I simply click on it, and to insert the card control, basically we need to check the first setting. If I go to the setting, here you can see the support option. So the first we need to check the authoring version is the support to modern control. Then if it not, you can easily edit from here and then select the particular version. Then easily apply. Then next we need to go to the update section, and here you can see this option which is the modern control and theme we need to enable for all. After done all the things, here we can insert the card control. Simply I search the card control from here. So here you can the card preview. I simply insert here. First I do the gallery item property. I call the call employee, which is the collection we have created. Then on the card controls, I map this data, which is the title. So I simply call it this item, not employee name. Now here you can see it take the name. Similarly, change the other kind of property image, this item dot post image, title, this item dot location, and finally the image, this item dot profile image. So here you can see we map all the data accordingly. So here you can easily change the other property like direction. If I set it horizontally, you can see the card flip horizontally. It display the image on the left side and the other content on left side. If I set this property vertically, it's changed accordingly. Now here you can see all other the property already we can see. Then here you can see the image style. So here you can easily change the image style according to you. Similarly, here you can see the size and position. So here you can easily set your size for your control. If you want to change the border radius, then you can easily change from here. If I go to the calorie control, here you can see the wrap count property. If I change from here, it took accordingly repositioning the card according to the layout or column. Set all the properties, padding or width, height, gap, all the properties. You can see the screen will appear on the screen. We have created successfully. If I simply play, you can see. If I change it to phone mode, you can see it's a responsive due to the gallery we have set for all the property, and the card also responsive. Canvas size, this is the other, and that's it. You can see the how the modern card control is useful to design the responsive screen. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.